Hello friends, this is Doc Nee making law easy to understand and for us to have a stress-free life in order to free ourselves from expensive illnesses. Today, we will be discussing about optional standard deduction. In lieu of the deductions allowed under the law, an individual subject to tax under Section 24, other than a non-resident alien, may elect a standard deduction in an amount not exceeding 40% of his gross sales or gross receipts, as the case may be. In the case of a corporation subject to tax under Section 27A and 28A, 1, it may elect a standard deduction in an amount not exceeding 40% of its gross income as defined in Section 32 of this code. Unless the taxpayer signifies in his return his intention to elect the optional standard deduction, he shall be considered as having availed himself of the deduction allowed in the preceding subsections. Such election when made in the return shall be irrevocable for the taxable year for which the return is made, provided, further, that a general professional partnership and the partners comprising such partnership may avail of the optional standard deduction only once, either by the general professional partnership or the partners comprising the partnership. Provided, that an individual who is entitled to and claimed for the optional standard deduction shall be required to submit with his tax return such financial statements otherwise required under this code. Provided finally, that except when the Commissioner otherwise permits, the said individual shall keep such records pertaining to his gross sales or gross receipts, or the said corporation shall keep such records pertaining to his gross income as defined in Section 32 of this code during the taxable year, as may be required by the rules and regulations promulgated by the Secretary of Finance, upon recommendation of the Commissioner. That would be all in the meantime. Until then, please subscribe to the channel. God bless us all.